was literally an epic fail. Oh my god, so bad. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial.
A classic.
What's good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my subbies. And if you've never seen my face before, my name is Taijah Marie and welcome to my channel. Today I attempted to follow an Instagram pictorial. Somewhere in this video, I will be announcing a giveaway, so you guys will want to stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit this like button, share this video, and hit that red subscribe button. Alright, let's get the video started.
Alright, so I have zoomed you guys all the way in. On the very first slide, it says start with packing orange shade on lid. So let's just start. Okay, so just like straight off the rip, like I am not 100% fabulous with eyeshadows. I just started doing makeup on myself like in 2016, and I still feel like I am not the best with makeup, like, but I'm not gonna sit here and just like always talk bad about myself, like, oh my god, I can't do this, I can't do that, like, because then that's just gonna like tear you down. You like really want to build yourself up and give yourself confidence. So, you know, even if you don't have the best confidence on the planet, you gotta fake it till you make it, and nobody would be able to tell the difference. I promise you. So that's pretty much me right now. I mean, I feel like I do have pretty good makeup skills. I feel like I'm pretty good, but every day is a learning opportunity for me, you know? And I really want to learn how to put on eyelashes. I cannot put on eyelashes for the life of me. Oh my god, I just like, why can't I put on eyelashes? So anyways, the next step is to blend in a yellow shade with the orange. It's like patchy right in here. Okay, so like y'all tell me if I'm tripping or not, but to me it looks like she added red to it. It's like a little bit, like, I swear. It looks red in the corners. And she just didn't say nothing. She just didn't say nothing.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Next it says blend out corners and add yellow to cut crease. Okay, so like, is that the worst thing you've ever seen in your life?
Help me! Help me!
She definitely added red and didn't say nothing, I swear. She has way too much red in her makeup look. Next, she said to blend ash trim into corners and clean up edges and use a makeup wipe to create a sharp look. I'm not using a makeup wipe because I have makeup on my face.
Hey, I'm super excited for 70 subscribers. Let's make it a goal to reach 100 by Sunday, and I'll be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
This was literally an epic fail. Oh my god, so bad. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. Like, this is dead making me look like I can't do makeup like whatsoever. I just got that all in my eyeball. Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, so clearly this was an attempt because your girl failed. I'm not even gonna lie, like no cap. This does not look good at all. Eyeshadow is just not my jam yet. I have only been doing makeup for like 2 years-ish, like that. And I pride myself in how good I am with the makeup now, but I never really practiced eyeshadows. So this was kind of like foreign territory for me. But all in all, I don't think I did absolutely horrible. I think overall my makeup looks good, but I'm sure you guys will let me know down in the comments. So go ahead and sound off down below. Don't forget to hit this like button and subscribe to my new and growing family. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.